Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locating your Apple ID and confirming access to a trusted device or recovery key. This matters because Apple verifies you immediately. Once you're ready, open Settings on an iPhone or visit iForget. Apple. Com on a browser and enter your Apple ID. You'll be prompted for verification options. Choose the device or phone number you control. If you don't see those, select the account recovery workflow. Doing this first speeds verification and avoids repeated lockouts later. Now focus on proving it's you. Approve the sign-in request on a trusted device or enter the SMS or generated verification code. This proves possession. If Apple asks, paste your recovery key or follow the account recovery form. Provide a reachable phone or email for updates. Once cleared, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make it unique and memorable, 8 or more characters with both letters and numbers. After resetting, review your devices and update the password everywhere to prevent relocks. Finish by signing into Icloud across your devices and updating saved passwords in browsers and apps. This restores continuity. Once done, enable two-factor authentication if not already active and securely store your recovery key offline. This prevents future lockouts. If something goes wrong and recovery stalls, don't panic. Contact Apple support and be ready to show purchase receipts or device serial numbers. This speeds manual verification. Making these final checks ensures you regain and maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.